Bluetail allows an account admin to customize a large number of important and useful app settings. To see the list of settings, click on the customer icon in the upper right corner of the app and select Settings from the related drop-down menu. On the first tab, users can edit general settings such as how they wish to see documents in the registry sorted, the user's time zone preference, and how many files that can be selected for an action. The next Settings tab is for editing default logbooks for the selected aircraft make and model. Users may also add custom logbooks. This process is explained in another support module. In the next tab, Categories, like the Logbooks tab, users may view default categories and add custom categories to their liking. This process is again explained in another support module. Moving right, the Watermarks tab allows a user to upload, place, and edit watermarks. This process too is discussed in another support module. The next tab, called Keywords, allows a user to view all default keywords in the system and add custom keywords, which also includes any related description. Bluetail users may add as many new keywords in the system as they deem appropriate for their operation and aircraft. By adding the keywords in this section, time is saved when adding them to any particular documents or files, as the system auto-populates the related word once the user starts typing it. The final tab, called Upload, allows a Bluetail admin to check any additional fields that they may wish to make mandatory prior to any user uploading documents or files. Users may also edit their user profile by clicking on the customer icon in the upper right corner of the app and selecting My Profile from the drop-down menu. Once any edits are made, a user can save the profile changes by clicking on the blue Update button on the bottom right of the screen.